Don't worry, your saver is here. Everyone, welcome to the new Beagle 5 tutorial. Today we go to see how remove duplicate items in Excel. Let's go!
I have a table like example, and we can see that could be some elements that are repeat among themselves. Okay, so to fix that problem, we go to select any cell in that column, in this case the name column, and we go to select to remove duplicates button in the data section. Okay, remove elements, just leave the name column like this, press OK, and we have 13 elements that are the only ones. So you can see that here there are not duplicate elements. I will press Shift Control for to start again and show you the same process with another column, in this case the CD column. We go to press another again, the same button, remove duplicate, and only leave the CD column. In this case we have 8 elements that are the unique ones. Okay, but we could have a problem. Okay, what is the problem? Is because the table is destroyed, because we have some elements that are hiding and could be a very important information to us. Okay, so to fix that problem, I press Shift Control for start again, and in another cell we will write equal sign, the word unique, open parenthesis, and copy all the column with the elements, close parenthesis, and so we have the unique elements. Very easy. I must tell you that there are Excel versions that could be haven't the unique formula. Okay, so to fix this issue, we can do the next step. Okay, I press Shift Control for to start again, and we go to copy all the column, and paste in the another column, and we go to the same button that before step. Okay, and in this window you will see only column, in this case column F. Okay, press OK, and we have the same unique elements like the before steps. Okay, this video are finished. I hope these tips have helped you. See you in another video and have a good time.